Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of vidIQ. So let me take you to their website, which is vidIQ.com. For the ones who don't know about them, vidIQ is a powerful YouTube growth and analytics tool designed to help creators increase views and subscribers. The platform provides keyword research, competitor analysis, SEO optimization, and performance insight to grow YouTube channel faster. With vidIQ, one can optimize their videos strategically and unlock YouTube growth opportunities. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and you want to subscribe to them, go ahead and do that. You can start with the free plan or boost it up to the monthly or the max monthly plan. Totally up to you. But we are not here for that. We are here to earn money from vidIQ. Possible? Of course it is. You simply join the affiliate program of vidIQ, you start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them as an affiliate, you will end up getting commission. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote vidIQ in order to receive commission? No restrictions found. So regardless of your location as an affiliate or the location of your audience, you can still promote them, and when you bring sell to them, you will receive commission. So long as vidIQ provide the services to the consumer of that specific country. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can scroll till the footer section on the homepage, click on the affiliate option from the footer section, which will take you to the affiliate program page of vidIQ. Over there, you can see 7 reasons to become an affiliate. First, you're going to start as an associate with 15% commission. And if you bring more than 10 sales, you become influencer with 20% commission on each sale amount. And when you bring more than 51 sales, you become 25% commission ambassador. That's awesome. So depending on how you're performing, how much sales you're bringing, you can become either associate, influencer, or ambassador. And if you scroll down, make passive income from software you use to grow your YouTube channel, your own vidIQ custom URL that you will get for affiliate program, and then get vidIQ boost for free. In case if you become ambassador, you also get vidIQ boost for yourself without paying anything. That's awesome. And then ambassador affiliates qualify for a potential collab with vidIQ team as well. Interesting. And then you could even become part of the podcast. You can also blend a guest post on vidIQ's blog. That's great. So they literally provide a lot to their affiliates, assuming these affiliates become their ambassador. Very nice of vidIQ. So how do you sign up for vidIQ affiliate program? For that, you have to first sign up with vidIQ. In case if you don't have an account with them, I suggest you start with a free account. And how do you do that? You simply click on sign up for free. It will take you to the account selection. So maybe in case if you have a Google account or any email account, you can authenticate through that account, and this will create a vidIQ account for yourself. Once you have authenticated for sign up with your email account, it will take you to this screen, the welcome screen. You can read through it, or you can just click on skip to get to the next page. And over here, you will get this option, unlock your feed. You can connect YouTube channel if you prefer. Otherwise, you can click on skip for now. And then what will you make videos about? Let's say you make funny videos. So you can type here funny videos and then click on continue. And then you can see what topics inspire your content. Well, funny videos looks good, or you can select any of these that kinds of inspire your content, and then click on these looks good. And then it will show you the premium offers. So you could either go with the bi-weekly, monthly, or yearly if you want to pay, and if you want to get their plus, or rather the premium features. Otherwise, you can just cross it up. And once you've done it, will take you to the survey page. Maybe just click on skip for now, or complete the survey if you prefer. And once you have done it, it will finally take you to the vidIQ page, the home page. Over here, you have to look at the bottom left hand side, and you have to click on your email address that would be visible here. And from here, you can click on affiliate center. We'll then open this overlay window where you can earn money when someone uses your referral link to buy vidIQ plan, and you can choose your referral URL. Basically, it's vidIQ.com followed by what you want to write in your referral URL. Let's say you have a YouTube channel with 123, so you write 123 here. Basically, this becomes your unique affiliate link. So I'm going to go with this A3 marketing, and then I'm going to click on enroll now. When you would do that, it will enroll your affiliate account and it will also generate or create your tracking link, and then it will take you further to the affiliate center. Note, it won't ask for your custom URL all the time since we just created the account, so that's why it asked us to generate our custom URL. Next time when you will log into vidIQ and if you go to affiliate center, it will directly take you to this page. Over here, if you look at the left hand side, this is your custom URL that you can take and you can share it with your audience and with your traffic. Ensure you're sharing this URL. Any other URL will not work. It won't track any sales, and then of course it won't turn into commission. And then if you look at the right hand side, if you scroll down, you can see your current affiliate level. So this is a place where you would be able to see your affiliate level and how much commission you can expect to receive from vidIQ based on the sale amount. And then here's the description of associate, influencer, and ambassador. And in case if you want to reach out to them for any question, you can click on contact us and initiate an email with them. Then we got terms, so you can click on terms and ensure you read and understand it very well because you don't want to do things that vidIQ doesn't allow. So again, ensure you click on terms, which will take you to this page. Ensure you read it and you abide by it 100%. Then comes the FAQs. Any frequently asked questions that you might have, you click on FAQ, which will take you to this page. You can explore all these questions to get the answer of any common questions that you might have. Then you got Brand Kit. When you click on it, it will take you to the Google Drive where you will see these options. There's banners, social images, there are logos, and then there's vidIQ Brand Kit. If you click on banners, social images, it will take you to this folder. Over here, you will be able to see all the banners that if you like, you can integrate it on your website along with your tracking URL. And this way you can promote vidIQ. Similarly, if you'll click on logos, it will take you to this folder. And let's say you want to click on vidIQ badge. So this is vidIQ badge. And let's say you want to integrate this logo on your website. You could do that using your tracking link, of course. So this is how you can get any of the creatives or the brand kits off vidIQ. Then comes the font. So let's say if you want to go with the fonts that are usually suggested by vidIQ, you can explore this folder as well. You can also explore vidIQ Brand Kit, which will take you to this Brand Kit PDF. You can read it to understand what is usually allowed and what is not usually allowed. This will be good in case if you're designing your creative to promote vidIQ. All right, so this is how you can get your tracking link. You can also use the Brand Kit or any of the given images from the Brand Kit folder to integrate on your website. So you learn how to sign up for the affiliate program and how to get your tracking link. Next question arises, where can you promote them? I mean, the vidIQ. There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by vidIQ, you can promote them anywhere on your website, maybe the homepage, maybe the category page, or just a small banner anywhere that you feel like is more suited for your audience, for your traffic. Blog could be great here as well. You could write blog posts about vidIQ, what they offer, why it could be good for YouTubers and all that. And within your blog post, you can put your tracking link. This way, when readers would read, they'll click on the link, and when they buy or subscribe to vidIQ, whatever they pay, you get the commission accordingly. Third way is social media. Now, social media could be great here because you could create different content through social media. You could do reels, post, videos. That's totally up to you. And put your tracking link somewhere in the video description or the comment section. This way, when people would click on it, if they subscribe, if they pay something to vidIQ, you will receive the commission. Fourth way is digital marketing website. Now, these kind of websites could be great here because let's say as an affiliate, you have digital marketing website. People come to these kind of websites to understand marketing tactics, correct? So maybe you create a standalone section just targeting the YouTubers. So when they will come to your website, they'll click on that YouTube section. Over there, they would be able to see vidIQ that you might have planted as one of the top recommended tool. So this way you could attract YouTubers to subscribe to vidIQ, which will turn into sales and hence the commission. So these are some of the ways you can promote vidIQ. Let's say you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to your affiliate center account once again of vidIQ. Once here, you can look at your states. Over here, you have an option to click on last 12 months where you would be able to see signups, clicks, conversion, and earning. You can also click on last month or current month so far. So this is how you would be able to see your signups, clicks, conversion, and earning. What about the commission for the sales you have generated? For that, you can look at the left hand side, add your PayPal email. So over here, you have to add your PayPal email address. You have to click on save. Once you do that, your PayPal details will be saved, and then you can expect to receive commissions from vidIQ for the sales you have generated for them in the first week of the following month. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of vidIQ. You sign up for them, you start promoting them, you start bringing sales to them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of vidIQ. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow, if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. There are free resources as well as the premium resources. You'll find these resources in the video description. Check them out, and if you want to go with any of those resources, be my guest. If you got any question for me in relation to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.